Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access. Make sure your Roblox account meets the event's age and membership requirements and that email and 2FA are enabled. Once done, open the Roblox client and navigate to the event page or developer hub link you received. You're not just logging in, you're confirming permissions so you won't be blocked mid-process. Make sure your display name and profile settings match any event registration details. Then proceed to join or register directly on the event listing. Next, fill out the event registration accurately. Use your exact display name and required contact info so organizers can verify you. Once registered, accept any permissions, join the specified group, or enter the VIP server code. These steps grant access and trigger the event's attendee list. Download required assets or redeem place codes ahead of time and ensure you have inventory space if the event gives items. This avoids delays and lets you enter the session immediately when it starts. Now join at the scheduled start using the place link or group server. If you registered a VIP slot, enter with that code. Follow the host's instructions, complete tasks, and claim any in-game rewards. Make sure you confirm completion so you're recorded. If something goes wrong, first clear your Roblox cache and restart the client, then try reinstalling if needed. If issues persist, check Roblox server status and contact the event organizer with screenshots. This helps them verify and correct your.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.